All right, this is a pool. Homeowner had the builder run out with all their money. There's several $1,000s upside down on what it should have cost them. They were able to piece together some contractors. We're at a plumber steel company, also does electrical in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Initials are AG. Come out, plumbed it for them. Plumbed the equipment in and everything. Looks like a decent job, right? Except if you notice, we're having to suck from the spa drain because the spa drain and the main drain for the pool are backwards. Well, it's been 4 weeks, so I come out to put the cleaner in because finally we can get the cleaner in here to help keep some of the dirt out, because you can see there's a lot of work still going on. And check this out. See those bubblers? Look what happens when I turn the booster pump on for the cleaner. Yes, the cleaner line and the bubblers are backwards. The guy that plumbed it will not return her phone calls. They don't answer the phone. They don't return her phone calls. It's bad enough somebody gets screwed initially, but then, this is one of the biggest problems in our industry. This kills us because people do crappy work and don't stand behind it, and then they won't return a phone call and help people out. This woman's already been screwed once. Now she's getting screwed twice.